Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're coming back to watch another one of my videos, then welcome back. As always, thank you for coming back and supporting. It truly does mean the world to me. So in today's video, I'm gonna take y'all along with us as we kind of go through some of the electrical, like our plans and kind of what we're looking for and just kind of what we want to add and stuff like that. We are here at the model for our team meeting as well. So yeah, this video will just be kind of a hodgepodge of this part of the process of meeting with our team and just kind of showing, you know, electrical, low voltage, and really just kind of getting that process started. So anyways, thanks again for tuning in, and here we go.
Hear from you by Tuesday, yeah, right. But yeah, I should. Monday, Tuesday, every week, I'll send you guys an update. Hey, here's what we're doing for the week. Hey, this didn't happen that I said last week, or hey, it did happen, and we're moving down the road or whatever. So
yeah,
and the group text works well because you know we run into situations where maybe you're the one that's more involved, so I'm calling you every week. And
yeah.
He's like, the entire first floor, except for the bathrooms, is LVP. So
well, this bathroom is.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't forget that because she gave it.
So to
well, kind of
to finally touch on my color code.
Yes, which I enjoy, quite honestly.
Actually, I do too.
Pink is for tile, and so
pink is for tile,
according to the legend.
Yes.
You've even got legend.
You got carpet on your stairs. You've got the first 2 steps instead of the first one.
Remember
yes,
that drama?
That was a dramatic day.
So only these bathrooms have tile. Everything else is LVP.
Yes.
Cool.
Well, I don't see the.
Oh, you know what? You're right.
That's
I
tile.
missed it. Okay.
Oh.
Carpet in the
Good
bathroom.
job. Well, no, it's LVP.
If there's nothing, then it's LVP. Did you miss the demonstration?
No, it's a starburst.
It's a starburst.
No, the starburst. Oh my god, the starburst. You don't even know. We ended up having like margaritas one day.
That's awesome.
I may have brought.
Well, no, we didn't have margaritas. Yeah, I always said
Let me have
margaritas. No, she tried to get margaritas, but we had Uncle Julio's one night.
There's a mosaic and it creates a starburst. So you have to lay them straight or it doesn't create.
And that goes in the
Do you want to see what
utility
you got?
room.
It goes in the utility room, and you'll get to it, but it goes in this hall bath right here too.
Okay. It's your butler's pantry.
It's not my wine closet.
It's the same thing.
You did
Gonna store wine.
the single bowl, full bowl sink instead of the standard in your kitchen.
Yep.
Just one big bowl.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
little chicken over here.
You told me to be a chicken.
No, I didn't. I said to do it.
That's bullshit.
And then
You
you said,
told me.
man.
No,
here we
because
go.
you told me that it would stain and it was a train wreck and don't do it.
I know, I meant do the other farmhouse though, the stainless one or the Blanco.
The
You were
Blanco?
just using that you gave
What
up
are you
for
talking
so
about?
he could get something. I remember that whole day. You're like,
Oh no, because he told me to do it. I don't
I
have to
know.
give up anything to get anything. Trust me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that like that, by the way. No, that time I didn't. No.
No, that time I
6
didn't.
inches, 12, 24, they're all the same. They're described the same.
Custom paint.
Yeah. Next. No, I've always wanted a farmhouse sink.
Right, so I wanted to
And
have
she talked
the
me
damn
out
sink.
of it. No, bullshit.
No, of
She
the
did
stain,
that.
of the
believe you.
porcelain. I talked you out of
I
the porcelain. And I was looking at the stain sink today.
I know.
Please don't let me talk you out of that. That makes me
No,
sad.
I appreciate that you did. It's because long term I'm not gonna like it. And if you commit to that, then you're committed to that
But just think
forever.
every day that you saw the stain in your sink, you would think of me.
No, I agree. Yeah. And plus now we have the little opener for the little like sponges, like the
Right.
flip down.
No, so my
It's all
You're
recorded
really
now.
recording me.
It's all recorded now. Say hey.
What's up?
First team meeting.
well, I have to get rid
Done.
It was good, too.
I know, we got a lot of,
Tell people
I know. There's a
told
lot.
you.
you're violating my
I know,
rights
but it's
here.
fine. We got a lot of stuff done.
Here,
It's
you
totally
get with
fine.
your honey.
Oh.
This is a
She wants-
two-party consent.
It's on me. No, is it on you? Oh, it's on you.
All right, first team meeting.
First team
done.
meeting. Woo woo.
Thanks to Trevor.
Up. I see you, and you can't hide from me. Oh, it's an action shot.
Yay, I've got Jen's sweater.
Woo.
It's always cold.
I haven't done them.
Yeah.
I don't know
Trevor's
if
thinking.
anybody else has.
Put a lot of thought into it. He's got the crumpled brow.
The rocker, the courses, and all that.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
house
a-
building can be fun if you have the right
Trevor,
team.
I
Yay!
think that's it.
All right, guys. Ah! All right, so here we are back in the bathroom. We spend a lot of days, it seems like. We were trying to figure out, here, I'll flip you all around. So, we're back in the model, right? So, this window, sorry the lighting is like horrible, but this window actually is gonna come down for us and become like a seat, and we're putting, well, this is coming down, but the window is staying at this height because of code or whatever. So we're just trying to figure out, we're putting a TV up here, so we're just trying to figure out the height of that. And then this is the master closet, which is gonna be completely different and a lot bigger. So we're also trying to figure out where to put a TV in here. And I was thinking that this doorway, right, Trent, this doorway was about the same height as the window for some reason. I don't know why, or I didn't think it was this tall or way. So we're trying to figure out if we can do a TV up there, which I'm thinking probably not, right?
Probably not.
Yeah, so we'll just have to go back to our original plan. So, bless you. So anyways, that's what we're doing. Just hanging out, so. We will keep plowing through all this stuff. Trying to make progress. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Yeah, so
I
to
think we could actually
me,
go 41
or 42.
or 40. Even.
Well, 40 is gonna get back into this.
Yeah, it's gonna be right next to it.
Yeah, so I would be, like, I would go on the safe side and do like 41. What do you think?
Well, I was just saying, so to me, that's what I was saying was happening
Yeah.
as we're repeating.
Same type of thing.
Yeah.
Showers on a different switch than that.
Oh yeah, and then so on this one, like this one already has one.
Yeah.
So you don't need this one, but we added one, and then that's on the same switch as the pendant.
Yeah.
And then the can is on one and the fan.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I already did that one, but on this one it's the 4, and then you have the 3 outlets again, and then Cat 5 I'm guessing, and a raised outlet. And then what is OTV?
Is that just an outlet? And it might be.
Oh, I think this is the one with the USB outlet with the USB.
Yeah.
Is what that is.
Yeah, if
and
they're
then-
available.
Outlet, 3 outlets and the mud cabinet.
Yeah, and on those we want like a low one and a high
Jen.
one.
What'd you say?
Like a low outlet and a high.
Okay, low and a high.
Yeah.
All right, Jen, game room. So excited to talk about electrical in the game room. Oh my gosh. And low voltage, like it just had everything on them.
Yeah. So that's what I thought we did. He did 6 in here.
He did? Well, it's a bigger space too.
Mm-hmm.
Like
And
it
it's not
goes
like that's a ton
another,
of light anyway.
no, and it goes another 4 feet this way, 5 feet, 6 feet, whatever.
Whatever the end of being, yeah.
Mhm.
So let's see. Add second light switch.
So when you come through from the second living space into here, there's a light switch.
So a three-way switch for here and here, so that if you're coming in, you turn it on, and when you're leaving, you turn it off. Yes.
All right, guys. Well, week 1 of taking y'all along with us is in the books. Not necessarily week 1 for this whole process, because we're like in month 4, but anyways, so yeah, just kind of to recap the week, as you saw, they started moving dirt and getting ready to put the forms in on Monday so that they can pour the foundation. Thursday was when we had our team meeting. Again, you've already seen this footage in the video, but Thursday we had our team meeting with our builder guy, Trevor, and obviously our sales person, Jen, who is absolutely amazing, as you probably noticed throughout the video. And then on Friday night, I came out and spent a few hours with Jen trying to work through some electrical stuff and just tying up some loose ends with structural and cabinets and all that fun stuff. So then we bring you to
today,
Sunday, fun day.
A lot of electronics today, a lot of electrical and AV. A lot of planning, figuring out where we want speakers, switches, plugs, all the fun stuff.
Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, just working through all of the electrical today. So definitely, in my opinion, isn't necessarily the fun stuff. For Trent, it's probably a little funner because that's up his alley, but electrical is very, very important. You probably, may know this by now, but I don't think there's ever been a time that I was like, gosh, I am so mad that we put a plug there or a light there or a switch, right?
So tough to go back and add this stuff after you build the house. You really have to think through how you flow through the house, how you're going to use the house, where you want the cool music at.
Yeah, the subwoofers, the speakers, all of that stuff. And in this house,
Lights,
fans. I mean, it's very overwhelming and a lot, but I think that's one of the pieces that makes it overwhelming is you really can't go back and change it. I mean, technically you can, but in some cases you honestly can't with some things. So, with this kind of hopefully being our final house, our final build, I don't want it to be a situation where we say an extra 2 feet, would have been nice, but we'll fix that in the next house because hopefully this will be our last one. So definitely try to make sure we have those things right, where you want a 3-way switch or smart switches or dimmers, that kind of stuff can be swapped out later. But the thing of it is you're already paying for a light switch when you have the house built. So if
get the right light switch if you can.
Yeah, so if you can, depending on how much the upgrade is with your builder, you might actually save money by just doing it then, and then it's done because you're not paying an electrician to come back in. You're not paying for, the switch. Obviously switches are kind of easy to swap out, but anyways, so that's kind of been our week. So we still have some homework to do on that piece, but hopefully coming up we'll get all of that out of the way and all of that fun stuff. So this week coming up, it sounds like, so we had a ton of rain. So they were thinking that they were actually gonna get the forms in on possibly Friday or yesterday. That obviously didn't happen, mostly probably because of the rain. So hopefully this coming week will be forms for the foundation. We'll finalize electrical and kind of the structural stuff that got missed, like a window or lowering a window or window seat. So yeah, so stay tuned for all that fun stuff. Hopefully we'll have some construction
Hopefully so.
footage this week.
Excited for that.
Yeah, so thanks as always for coming along with us on this journey, and it's in its whole as it is now. Thanks for watching this video. As always, we truly appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed and hit that bell notification down below, make sure you do that because
you don't want to miss this fun adventure.
You don't want to miss this bleep show. There's always good times to be had. Plus, we're gonna do the updates every week, and that's what we're planning on. So it'll be fun to see it as it goes. But thanks again for watching. we hope you enjoyed the video and, you know, learned some stuff and maybe had a laugh or two, and we will catch you in one of my next videos.
Bye guys. See you next week.
Bye.